Now today we have to discuss one special case of purification of water, and our today's topic is filtration and purification of water for supply in the cities. This is large scale purification of water. So in this, to understand this, let us see this picture. Now you can see this is the river or any water body, river or lake. This is referred as reservoir. Reservoir means it is a large tank or a place where water is collected. From that river or lake, water is drawn towards the pumping station, and this pumping station sends the water to a tank. So from here the purification and filtration starts. So the first stage of purification of water starts in a sedimentation tank. Sedimentation, you all know, this is a process in which heavier solid particles present in water which are suspended in it, if water is allowed to stand undisturbed for some time, then the heavier particles slowly settle down. So the same thing happens in this sedimentation tank. That means the water is allowed to stand there undisturbed for some time, and the heavier particles which are suspended in it, they slowly settle down. Then rest of the water is the loading tank. When water is taken into the loading tank, then alum is a special type of salt, and this is readily soluble in water. And when this alum is dissolved in water, nothing happens to its taste. Small amount of alum is added, so taste doesn't change. Rather, what happens, this alum particles, after getting dissolved in water, they start depositing upon still smaller suspended particles which are left in water after sedimentation. The alum particles, when deposit on the suspended particles in water, the suspended particles become heavy, and this make it to settle down. This whole process is known as loading. Now after loading, when water becomes free from suspended particles, then if still some fine impurities are left, then water is sent to filtration tank. What happens in filtration tank? There are three types of things present in it. There are layers of fine sand, coarse sand and gravel, and water is allowed to pass through the layers of these particles in different layers. So what happens? The water, after passing through the layers of fine sand, then coarse sand and then gravel, if any small suspended impurity is left behind, that also is trapped between them, and water becomes totally free from suspended impurities. After that, it is taken to the chlorination tank where chlorine is present. That chlorine can be added either in the form of chlorine gas, or it can be added in the form of bleaching powder, or still nowadays chlorine tablets are available in the market that can be dissolved in water. Chlorine gas kills the germs present in water. If any harmful germs like bacteria, then some protozoa, anything is present in water, then that is killed by their exposure to chlorine. And then water is again sent to the pumping station, from where it is sent to the water storage tank, huge water storage tank, and from there it is sent to the homes through pipelines. So this is the way water is purified for supply in the cities. So that's all for today. This process you must write in your copy in detail and explain all the 4 steps, that is sedimentation, loading, filtration and chlorination. These 4 steps you should explain in your copy. That's all for today. Thank you.